Here is Dixie and Juds, 6 little female puppies. Just kind of getting up and roaming around. They were born the 16th of January, 2014. It's a litter of 10, but these are just the females. So I'll kind of try to point them out to you here. This is the blue female. She's right here. Our green female. Hey. Our pink is on the far left, and there's our yellow, and I think these two are, can't see their color. Here's white. And this is orange. So there they are. There's green attacking my hand. Hey bud, say hi. Now size-wise, they're all pretty similar. There's really not one that's way bigger. I guess that green's probably, not green, sorry, yellow's probably the smallest. That's her right there. And I would say pink's probably a close second, but other than that, there's really not a whole lot of size difference. There's green. There's orange. Green's attacking my hand. Yeah, they're just starting to get their teeth. I know that because they're biting my fingers. Kind of getting a little more lively, but still pretty laid back. Huh, bud? That's yellow. Blue. Green. White's kind of just laying over there. Hey, say hi. She just wants to go back to sleep. I woke him up. Okay, so there they are. Dixie and Juds, 6 puppies. 6 female puppies. Hope this kind of shows you a little bit more about them. 4 weeks old.